Shit. Woo, look at that right there, boy. Hey, what's the YouTube channel? Damn. So, really? All right, I'm gonna feature you on there. Damn, I wish I could get a review of the car. Hey, let me come do it. Thank you. I hate these roads in Wynwood, man. Oh my God. Why can't they just do better roads? Shoes, every day they doing some construction junk. Look at the damn road. I say this car hugs this road like crazy. It does. Oh my God. I didn't realize that. The road is wet as hell. Holy snap. I did not recognize that the road was wet. Better hold on, that freaking steering wheel real good. I gotta do something about this clutch pedal, man. Anyways, any one of y'all listening up to this point of the video, I'm about to sell my clutch pedal that I have in the car. Well, no, not the clutch. Well, yeah, there's nothing wrong with the clutch pedal, but I'm gonna sell it because I'm gonna do something a little bit different. So yeah, it's gonna be up for sale real soon. I'll probably just throw it up on my Instagram or somewhere. I don't know. I gotta see. But yeah, there's that popo over there. Oh man. But yeah, should be a nicer. Damn, why is he making a U-turn? Trouble daddy. Ooh, boy's making a U-turn. Anyways, but yeah, that's about it for this video. Probably gonna try to put up a little video every day or every 2 days, every 3 days maximum. That's yo, this freaking clutch pedal, is driving me crazy. Oh, mommy, you ain't running? You better run a little bit faster. This clutch pedal is sticking. Well, not the pedal. I think it's the master cylinder shit, man. Shit drive me crazy. I ain't trying to stay in that light right now. But yeah, anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. Look at Mr. Bobo right there in front of me. Look at him, look at him. Anyways, I'll talk to y'all later.